If CapCut is giving you exporting error 1004, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can help you export your video successfully. This issue is usually tied to performance settings, cache problems, or export settings that are too demanding for your device. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes, without needing to reinstall the app or start your project over. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to disable hardware acceleration inside CapCut. Open CapCut and go straight into Settings. Once you're there, click on the Performance tab. In this section, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This feature can sometimes cause exporting issues, especially if your device has compatibility problems, or if CapCut is trying to use your hardware in a way that triggers the error. Turn that option off by unchecking it, then click Save. After that, go back and try exporting your video again. For many users, this alone is enough to fix the error 10004 problem and let the export complete normally. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, because the next fix is just as important. The second step is to clear the app cache. Over time, CapCut stores cache data from your drafts, previews, and editing sessions, and that junk can sometimes interfere with exporting. To do this, open CapCut Settings from the menu. Then navigate to the Draft tab. Inside that area, look for the Cache section. You should see a cache size indicator with a trash icon next to it. Click that trash icon to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts while keeping your actual project safe. Once the cache is cleared, restart CapCut if needed and try exporting again. A clean cache can make a big difference, especially if the app has been running slow or glitchy. Now, if you're still seeing error 1004, the third fix is to lower your export variables. This means making your export a little less demanding, so CapCut has an easier time finishing the render. Open the export window and reduce the resolution if possible. For example, if you're exporting in 4K, switch it down to 1080p. You can also lower the frame rate to 30 frames per second if it's currently set higher. These changes may slightly reduce output quality, but they can also help the video export successfully when CapCut is struggling with a heavier project. If your timeline includes lots of effects, overlays, filters, or high-resolution clips, this step can be especially helpful. Try exporting again after adjusting those settings, and in many cases, the video will render without the 10004 error. So to quickly recap, the best ways to fix CapCut exporting error 10004 are to disable hardware acceleration, clear the app cache, and lower your export settings. These 3 steps solve the issue for a lot of creators and are always worth trying before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials and editing fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.